Hello everyone, Dr. Timothy Elizondo here, and today we are going to be taking a look at what is called one of the most infamous and notorious and popular open educational resource sites available, known as LibreTexts. I was unfamiliar with this, and I'm super happy that this was pointed out because, as it indicates, it's the world's most popular online textbook platform, and we are going to be snooping around exploring the libraries in specifically the humanities because I am looking for a philosophy book. And not just any philosophy book, but an introduction to philosophy textbook that seems to be able to communicate the ideas, the controversies, and also the history of philosophy in a way that's accessible, in a way that's contemporary, and in a way that seems to be written for the wide range of readers that we experience within our classrooms within the YCCD. So with that in mind, this particular site is divided into different, kind of in a sense, like subject matter. So as you'll see, I clicked the humanities text and link, and it's going to take me to 3 different options. A place where I can go check out what certain campuses have developed at their unique campus. But also, I think this one's my favorite right now. It's the bookshelves. It's a list of different books that have been offered online that faculty members can snoop through and utilize in their online course. So for this particular assignment, I chose philosophy. I thought that was appropriate, and here are the different books that I can choose from. I've seen these books located in other places, so I think this is a really nice kind of like presentation, like a hub where several of these books can be found. Personally, I will be using An Introduction to Philosophy by Payne. This book I found on another website, and it's pretty decent. It's good. And as you notice, this particular book is then divided into different chapters, sections, units. And if we click the units, it then has kind of this nice organization of what's contained inside that allows the student to kind of break down the unit into smaller portions. And then if we click a link such as that, we get kind of a deeper description. I wouldn't say it's the most robust, but yep. And then we can kind of link around, although some of the links aren't that helpful and or interesting. So I think that should give you a general gist of kind of how this operates. Let me just show you just another example in case. Let's go to gender studies because it's super important. I'm just grabbing this one. Yep. And we can see a very similar kind of organizational schema as it relates to the front of the book, back of the book, and then also the chapters, right? All right. Well, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope all is well. Talk to you later. Bye.